Hello, this is Roberto and this is the HVAC is my channel. Today we're going to be talking about heat load calculation manual J for condominiums part 4. Alright, so let's get into it. So now that we have the den, and then in the den we place the insulation values and all our properties are correct, we're gonna continue doing the floor layout. Okay, so this might be a little bit of a long process because we need to put a lot of detail on the dimensions. Okay, for example, when I'm talking about the dimensions, is these lines don't have thickness. However, the exterior walls actually have thickness. Sometimes they're 8 inches, 1 feet, depends. See, it has thickness. So if you rely on your interior dimensions, for example, this master bedroom is 12 feet by 15 feet 7 inches, then you are not accounting for the exterior wall. So in other words, I'm going to explain to you in here the following. If you do your heat load calculation following the dimensions, you're going to do this like this, but your exterior dimension is not going to show the same. This exterior dimension is not going to show the same value as expected. In other words, you're going to end up being short. You put the interior dimensions and then you're going to end up right here, right? So that's the part that we need to be careful about. Okay, so in that case, we're going to start with actually finding the dimension, the exterior dimension, the overall dimension. So in this video, since we're putting a lot of detail, we're gonna start with the right part of the condominium. And as you may see, you don't have the exterior dimension in this floor layout. However, since we spent a lot of time in the other videos studying very well the drawings, what I do is I'm going to resort to the other drawings. So we're gonna change this, see, for this. We go here and then we're gonna have this. All right, so what is the point of reference? It's the main entrance door. Right here is the main entrance door and the den is on this location. See, we have the den. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is let's start with the exterior dimension. We're gonna continue with this part. So what is that exterior dimension? That's gonna be 36 feet. As you can see from here all the way here, 36. Oh, but now you might be wondering what happens because you are oversizing the rooms. But somehow if you are oversizing a little bit the rooms, that's going to be a conservative approach. In other words, you would be maybe oversizing the system a little bit. So oversizing the system a little bit is not going to hurt. Undersizing the system, that's gonna hurt. So we're on the safe side. So let's do this 36. So on this side we have 36 feet. So what we're gonna do in here is gonna be the following. So let's go here and then we're gonna put in here 36 feet like this. See, 36 feet, 36 feet. There we go. We have 36 feet. So this is the exterior length. And also there's one more part in here. We need to make some room in here for everything. So since we don't have enough room in here, see, I'm gonna make some room. We're not gonna be using this compass because we're gonna be placing the floor layout. So what we're gonna do is gonna hide the compass and then we're gonna go here to show or drawing. View, and then you're going to click on the default construction number bar and that's gone. So you have more space. Okay, so we're going to delete this, and remember you have to copy this because these already have the properties. We're copying in here. There we go. We're going to put one room in here and that room is going to be the bedroom number 1, which we call master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom. Alrighty, so what are the dimensions? The other one is going to be located all the way at the bottom. And what's going to be that one? That's going to be bedroom number 2. Bedroom 2. Alright. Okay, see, now all these bedrooms are lining up with the dimensions that I have. See, 36, 36. So everything is fine. Okay. 36, 36. Now, let's continue with the interior dimensions of this master bedroom. The master bedroom in here, let's check in here one by one. Let's analyze it very well. See, let's go here. So the master bedroom dimensions, interior dimensions, is going to be 17 7 inches, but we're not taking into account these 8 feet, so we're going to make it maybe 16. So 15 feet 7 inches, we can put it as 16 or 16 6 inches. We're going to see in here. Let's see the dimension. Yeah, since we don't need this anymore right here. Okay, let's put it on here. So we're gonna move this to the side, so we need more space. Okay, so this would be, and you can see the dimension right here at the lower right side corner. We have 9 feet by 12 inches. So what we're gonna do is that has to be 15. That's gonna be 15 6 inches, but we're gonna make it 16 6 inches. There we go, to account for the exterior wall. Okay, and the other one is gonna be 12 inches actually. See, this dimension is 12 feet. So if that's the case, right now we have 12 feet. However, to account for that exterior wall, we're gonna put it 12 6 or possibly 13, but we're gonna see what fits better. Okay, see, we have the master bedroom completed. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the other side. We're gonna go to the lower side, and what is that part? So this bedroom is actually gonna be 12 feet 10 inches. So that would mean that would be 13 or 13 6. We're gonna making it bigger, right? Okay, so we're gonna make 13, see, 13 6, and then we're gonna line it up. Also, you can always use this tool right here. This is very handy. This is an annotation. Right here you have a line, just to make sure that they are lining up like this. See, I'm holding shift. Okay, there we go. So they are lining up. So this is an annotation. It doesn't take any part in the heat load calculation. So now we have this 13 6 inches like this, and then this room is also 14 feet. See, 14 feet vertical, 14 feet. So we're gonna do this like this, 14 feet, 14 feet. But if we want to count for the exterior wall, we're gonna put it 14 feet 6 inches or 15 in fact. There we go. And then you have the room, and it's looking that it's taking shape. Now it's looking like it's getting better. Okay, now we have that. Now what we're gonna place in between is this closet. See, there is a closet in here. There is a closet. That closet is gonna fit between the master bedroom and the bedroom number 2. So what we're gonna do is copy paste. We're gonna make this dimension smaller. Go here. There we go. Okay, so what are the dimensions of this closet? The dimension is, we have 5 feet 2 inches on this side. 5 feet 2 inches is going to be 6 feet. Okay, let's go here. 6 feet. And again, you might be wondering, why is it 6 feet? Just to account for the exterior wall. And in other words, we might be increasing this room sizes, but that's not going to affect our heat load. It's going to be a little bit more oversized, but we're on the safe side. And on the lower side, we're just going to match it the way it fits. There we go. Okay, so what's the name of this? That's going to be named closet. Okay, closet. There we go. Now we're gonna do, next to the closet we have a dressing area. So we're gonna copy this right here, and then we're gonna call this dressing. And how big is the dressing? The dressing says in here is 5 feet. So let's make this 5 feet right here. See, this is 5 feet 6 inches. Let's make it a little bit smaller, 5 feet. Okay, and then we're gonna move it to the side. Now we have the dressing. However, again, we have interior walls, and the interior walls we have like, say, 4 inches of interior walls. And then to account for that, let's make this a little bit bigger, 6 inch bigger. There we go. Okay, so we have the dressing, we have the closet. Now we're gonna continue with the bathroom. Okay, copy paste, change the name. We're gonna put in here bath number 1. There we go. And you can also put bathroom, but it's taking more space. The text takes more space. So the dimension for this bathroom is 5 feet 7 inches. So we're gonna make it 5 feet 7 inches, 6 feet. Okay, so we're gonna go here 6 feet. Okay, so from the top to the bottom is gonna be 5 feet. We're gonna make it 5 feet 6 inches. And again, we're giving it more, we're increasing the size a little bit to account for the walls. There we go, we have bath 1. Okay, bath 1. Now let's check on this again, the alignment. So I'm gonna copy this line that you can always delete it at any time. So see, that's the master bedroom. So see, this is the master bedroom right here. This black line is right here. This is the black line right here, right? So from the black line to the bathroom wall, there is a small offset. See, that small offset right now is 1 feet. See, in here you can see in here 1 feet, that small offset. We can make it 1 feet 6 inches. See, just to make it more precise. There you go. There you go. 1 feet 6 inches. Okay. Okay, so we're done with the bath. Now what we're gonna do is, there is a walk-in closet. In other words, see, there is the master bedroom. In here we have the husband and wife, and then husband and wife go to the closet and they get dressed in here, and they also have the bathroom, right? But in this dressing part, they have a closet. The closet is right here for medicine, for cosmetics, anything. They have a closet. We are going to draw that closet, see, right here. Let's put the name just 1. See, 1. Just to put a name, we're not going to call it 1, but the dimension of this closet, it says 1 feet 8 inches. See, this is small tiny closet. So that 1 feet 8 inches is going to actually, we're going to make it 2 feet. Okay, so let's make this 2 feet. There we go, 2 feet. And then we're going to move this here, and then we're going to make it smaller. Oh, see, we have those issues. There we go. So it looks skinnier in here actually. So we have 2 options. We can make this smaller. There we go. Let's make it like that way, smaller. So now in this case, so you have 1 feet 6 inches, or maybe you can make it bigger. You're gonna tell me, Roberto, make up your mind. Okay, that depends on the designer. There we go. So we're not gonna call this actually closet because it's very small. Okay, we call this closet because it's big, and we're gonna put a diffuser in there. Just to give you more perspective, if I enable the ducts, see, anytime you have a room, it's gonna place a diffuser, a register. But we usually put registers not in the closet. I mean, in a big closet, yes, we do, but not in a walk-in closet small. We don't do that. So in other words, what we're gonna do, we need to merge this to a room. We're not gonna merge it to the bathroom. We're gonna merge it to the dressing room. So in that case, we're gonna click here, we select both, and we merge. There we go. So dressing, and we have the closet. Okay. And then finally, we need to add in here a small part for the bedroom, because as you can see in here, there is a door right here. There is a door, so the master bedroom is not a rectangle. There is this small part in here, like some sort of a small vestibule, but not really. So we're gonna complete that part. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna grab this. As I said, let's just put 1 number, because we're gonna merge it. Okay, so we're gonna make this. It's like we're trying to fit the boxes, right? That's why it's easier this way. Okay, there we go. And then in here, the master bedroom will be merged with this area, So merge. Okay, master bedroom. Okay, so now we have all the rooms, and remember, this is just one of the methods, because there are other ways. Other designers like doing this differently. I've seen some of them do room by room like this. They just draw it like this, which is good too. They could draw like this based on the dimensions. They can draw like this, see, draw like this, like that, and they go like this, see. Same thing, and then they call this master bedroom, right? So they also do that. In my case, in my case, I like doing this by merging, because for me, honestly, I got used to it, and sometimes I do my heat loads or my floor layouts very, very quickly. So instead of drawing like that, what I do is I draw boxes, and then I'd rather go here, double click here, and then merge. See, merge. So there are different ways of doing this. Okay, so far we already drew the right side of the floor layout, and you have to be very precise on this. So that's why I'm taking my time. And again, these lines are just annotation. You can always delete them. See, you can delete them, you can put them there, not a problem. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue with the central part. See, in other words, what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue with this area, see, and the utility room. And this series of videos, I'm doing it step by step, because it's very important to pay attention to the details. That's gonna save you a lot of work in the future when this is built. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.